thought about forever, but I chose to walk away. Didn't want to hold her, knew she needed a bigger stage. Knew if I told her it wouldn't be okay. Could have been something real, but I knew she wanted more. Didn't want to take her anchor and pull her to the shore. Now I'm here wondering if I let my fear betray. Dialing up a number with my heart back to race. Dialing up a number with my heart about to race. Thinking about the moments we could never quite replace. Didn't want to lose her, but I thought she needed more. Now I'm hoping I'm the one she can be looking for. Dialing up her number, feeling all kinds of regret. Wondering if she'll answer if she's moved on yet. Maybe this forgives and maybe time could heal the scars. Maybe I'm just wishing on a sky with faded stars. One ring, two rings, and my heart begins to pound. Think about the words that I'll say if she's still around. 3 rings, 4 rings, feels like forever now. Sweating on the silence, wonder if she'll ever come around. Met up last week, felt like old times for a bit. Laughed about the past, but something didn't fit. Said we keep in touch, I meant it at the time. But we sit by, now I'm choking on my